Hello children, I am your tutor Dr. Amita Mishra and today I taught about the geological time scale. So if anyone of you have not come to the class, so I'm preparing video for you all so that you can learn some basics of the geological time scale. Actually, geological time scale is the time scale which has divided the earth into different era, epochs, zones, periods, and it was first developed by Giovanni of Duna. He was an Italian scientist, and in 1760 he gave the concept of geological time scale. Basically, the age of the earth, which is estimated, is about 4600 million years ago, and the life which originated was in the ocean, and it was about 3600 million years ago. The history of the earth has been divided into, for the ease of study, it has been divided into a number of divisions like era, then first is the eon, then era, and then period and epochs. So here is the flow chart: eon, era, period, and epochs. If I come to the eon is the it is a big part of the time. It is a bigger time scale which has been divided into four parts like Hadean, Archean, Proterozoic, and Phanerozoic. These are the Hadeans. If you when we study the geological time scale, we start reading it from the downwards. In the from the first will be Hadean, then Archean, then Proterozoic, and then the Phanerozoic. इसी क्रम में हम लोग उसको पढ़ेंगे. तो Hadean, तो this is that period of the earth. The estimated time is about 4.5 years ago, million years ago. So what happened during this time? Heavy bombardment was there because of the asteroids. Asteroid was striking the Earth's surface. Most of the activity, like how the Earth evolved, क्योंकि धरती जो थी एक सूर्य का के समान एक आग की गोला ही थी. तो हाउ इट सेटल्ड, हाउ कूल्ड, ऐसे करके जैसा भी फिनोमेना हुआ, तो दोज थिंग्स हैपेंड इन द हिडन पीरियड. देयर वाज एब्सोल्युटली नो लाइफ, नो एटमॉस्फेयर, नथिंग. तो दैट इज़ अबाउट 13%. इफ़ आई ड्रॉ अ पाई डायग्राम, अगर हम इसको तो आपको और अच्छे से समझाने के लिए एक पाई डायग्राम किए हैं, तो उसमें देखिए कि हिडन को आई हैव शोन इट अबाउट 13%. तो 13% ऑफ द eon of the when the earth has been divided into 4 eon, so 13% of the earth's eon time is hidden. The next is the Archean, 33%. The first form of life originated in the Archean. That means the first prokaryotes, जो एक single cell living organisms होते हैं, that originated in the Archean period. The first form of life originated in the Archean period. It is the next eon of the earth. Then comes the 42% of Proterozoic. Proterozoic, the Hadean, the Archean, and the Proterozoic, they together constitute the Precambrian era. The next, when we will study about the era, which is also subdivided into subgroups, तो ये तीनों जो है ये आते हैं आपके प्री कैम्ब्रियन में. इट कम्स अंडर द प्री कैम्ब्रियन. एंड इन द प्रोटीरोजोइक, लाइक द सर्टेन फॉर्म्स ऑफ यूकारियोट्स हैव इवॉल्व्ड. कुछ जो है एल्गे, बैक्टीरिया, ये सब यहाँ पर डेवलप किए. सर्टेन बैक्टीरिया विच स्टार्टेड प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑक्सीजन जो है, तो एटमॉस्फेयर में ऑक्सीजन आने लगा. दैट मीन्स द ऑक्सीजनेशन ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएशन यहाँ पे हुआ. बिकॉज लाइफ इज़ ओनली पॉसिबल व्हेन देयर इज़ एन एटमॉस्फेयर. लाइफ आउटसाइड ऑफ द वाटर इज़ पॉसिबल व्हेन देयर इज़ ए एटमॉस्फेयर अराउंड द अर्थ. तो यहाँ पे एटमॉस्फेयर का क्रिएशन हुआ. एंड देन द फेनरोजोइक, हियर द लैंड प्लांट्स माइट हैव इवॉल्व्ड. तो ये सारे छोटे छोटे चेंजेस की वजह से, और इतने इन सच अ ड्यूरेशन, इन सच अ लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन ऑफ ईयन जो है लाइफ का बिगिनिंग स्टार्ट होता है. एंड दिस हैज़ बीन grouped under geological time scale. In the next class In the next video I will teach you about era, how many the earth is divided in, earth was divided into how many era, and then periods and epochs, and I will give you certain mnemonics to learn them so that you can learn them by heart. mnemonics से आसानी हो जाएगा पढ़ने के लिए. And do come to the class because यहाँ वीडियो और बोर्ड में स्मार्ट बोर्ड पे पढ़ना, that is entirely two different things. So I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to this subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.